It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: AM/FM stereo radio, easy lift and lower tailgate, manual tilting steering column, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual telescoping steering column, twin-turbo V6 engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.